going to show you today how to make it easier to inject your Aimovig into your thigh. First, you're going to need cotton ball, a Band-Aid, it's got else on it, alcohol, your Aimovig, and I'm using a relief pack, ice pack on my leg to kind of numb it a little bit. So while that's doing that, your Aimovig shot has to be at room temperature, which mine is, and you have to check to make sure that it is clear in here. So that's good. So then I prep the area with a cotton ball and alcohol. I take the ice pack off. I have no place to put it. And I rub the area that I'm going to give myself a shot in. So I'm gonna do this again so you can actually see it. Rub alcohol, and I try to relax the muscles. It's not exactly easy to do considering you know that you're gonna be giving yourself a shot. And I have a Band-Aid prepared in case. It's also helpful if you shave before you do this, because then when you take the Band-Aid off, it doesn't rip any tiny hairs off. So you have to take the orange thing out. Pops out like that. Then you need to see it go down. Oh, you need to see it go down and empty, and then they tell you to wait about 15 to 30 seconds after you hear it click at the top to make sure it's all in. So I like to place it on my thigh, kind of put a little bit of pressure on it just to numb it a little bit. And then the dreaded part, the part where I try not to flinch or lift it up, because that's your natural instinct. So 1, 2, 3, and it clicked. Wait. Do 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 do. That seems like that's been long enough. Now gently lift it up. Ooh. Sorry. Should have had a warning on that one. And that's more blood than normal. And a Band-Aid. All done.